our adventure begins. The Starship Fergu-prise is officially taking flight. First stop, Pasadena, to pick up my brother-in-law Hany and his wife Noha. Destination, Las Vegas, baby. Okay, this is our first meal in the motorhome. Of course, In-N-Out Burger.
Yes.
What do we got? Fries.
Your double-double.
My double-double. We got a shake and a Coke.
My cheeseburger.
For drinks.
Yep. Cheers.
And a cheeseburger.
Cheers.
So we got two combos. One double-double with fries and a strawberry shake. And another cheeseburger with fries and a Coke.
Yum, yum.
This will be our first meal in the motorhome.
Yes. Join us. Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
And there it is. Perfection.
Perfection.
Okay, so we're putting the phone holder so I can use my GPS and whatnot while driving. Screw it.
It will fit? Yeah, good.
There we go.
Good fit.
Where's my phone? Oh, you have it. You're filming.
That's funny.
Yeah, I could put it here.
Yeah, it's gonna fit.
Before we hit the road, it's makeover time. Starting with a couple of sleek new rugs. Soft, clean, and totally Fergunized. Next up, these dining cushions are getting an upgrade. Out with the old and in with the faux leather. A little class never hurt a motorhome, right? Sometimes it's the little things that make a big difference, like a shiny new drain screen. And now, the most important upgrade of all, the new memory foam mattress. Because if we're gonna go where no man has gone before, we'd better get some quality sleep. Nadine's on precision duty, cutting and laying down drawer liners like a pro. No rattles, no sliding, just smooth organization. Hany and Noha surprised us with this awesome Bluetooth backup camera. Perfect for keeping the Starship from bumping into any asteroids, or parking poles for that matter. And finally, Nadine adds the finishing touches. Fresh sheets, cozy pillows, and our comforter. The Fergu-prise is ready for launch.
Okay, our first trip with the motorhome.
Yeah.
We are on the freeway. What do you think, babe?
I'm a little nervous. We'll be in rush hour traffic soon. I pray that everything goes smoothly. No problems, no accidents.
Hopefully everything will go smoothly.
And take it easy.
Yep, it's gonna be good.
This rear view camera is very good.
Yes, definitely. And the weather today is very, very
The
nice.
weather is very nice. We're headed out of San Diego, going to Los Angeles. Our first stop will be Pasadena.
Then,
Then on to Las Vegas.
Viva Las Vegas.
Las Vegas will be our first destination.
Yep. And we love Las Vegas. You're driving like a Scotsman.
Well, I tried walking like an Egyptian, but then I needed a chiropractor.
Good one. That's a good one. Juno. Where are we now?
Passing the moons,
The famous
the nuclear power plants.
San Diego boobs.
San Clemente.
San Clemente.
Is it considered San Clemente?
Yeah. We passed Camp Pendleton, right?
Well, I guess maybe we're starting Camp Pendleton. I don't know, is this considered Camp Pendleton or San Clemente?
Maybe both. We are in LA rush hour now.
Yeah.
It's bumper to bumper, but it started to move a little bit now. I can see from your window. But yeah,
Slowly but surely.
that's LA. It's always like that.
Yep, 4:30.
But we're still enjoying. I'm enjoying. Someone else is doing
Yes.
all the work. Thank you, babe.
Of course.
Juno is
He
enjoying
was,
the
married this guy,
ride.
and so I saw him in a couple of different social situations.
Isn't it
just
cute?
and so gracious, like
Super
complimenting
cute.
us on the show.
I didn't know it's on.
Yeah, yeah. All right. We tried to kill it, but it's still on.
You're listening
That's
to Tim
cool.
Conley Jr. on demand from KFI AM 640.
We're coming to the Citadel
Everyone deserves to win big.
outlet.
All the slots and table games you love with incredible bonuses. Sign up today for incredible bonuses.
We made it to Pasadena. Time to pick up Nadine's brother Hany and his wife Noha. We'll spend the night here, and tomorrow morning, it's wheels up for Vegas. And we're off. Nadine's filming, Hany and Noha are working at the dining table, Uncle Victor's up front riding co-pilot, and I'm at the helm of the Starship Fergu-prise. Crossing the state line. Nevada, here we come. There's Buffalo Bill's Casino, with that epic roller coaster that's sadly closed now. Still, seeing it means we're getting close. Nadine asks how I'm doing. Let's say, when you're surrounded by 18-wheelers and a motorhome, it's a whole new level of focus. Meanwhile, Juno's totally relaxed. Our little co-pilot just soaking up the ride. It's tradition. Every time we hit the Vegas city limits, the Fergunized crew breaks out into Viva Las Vegas, and this trip is no exception. Rolling past Mandalay Bay, the lights, the skyline, that feeling when you finally arrive. We pull into the Orleans Hotel and Casino. Their RV lot isn't fancy, just an open space for trucks and motorhomes, but it's perfectly located and easy to get in and out. The Starship Fergu-prise fits right in. Safe and sound, Juno and I are all smiles. Mission accomplished. Check out that view. The Vegas skyline glowing in the distance, and the sunset painting the sky behind it. Not a bad way to kick off our first trip. The Starship Fergu-prise, parked proudly under the Orleans Arena lights. She looks right at home. Nadine takes Juno for a walk and strikes a heroic Captain Morgan pose, clearly ready for adventure. Time to head inside. There's this cool tunnel that connects the RV lot to the hotel entrance, kind of like walking into another world. As we get closer, we saw a bit of excitement. Looks like a small accident near the valet area. Hope everyone's okay. Once past that, you're greeted by this classic New Orleans style charm. Wrought iron balconies, street lamps, and jazzy vibes everywhere. Then boom, the doors open and you're hit with the sound of slots and flashing lights. Vegas energy instantly. After celebrating Nadine's win, we wandered into one of my favorite spots, the Alligator Bar. This place is full of fun details. Huge alligators, jesters, kings, and queens all hanging above the gaming floor. It's got that perfect Mardi Gras meets Vegas feel. The Orleans opened back in 1996 and was built to capture that French Quarter spirit. It's just a short drive off the strip. Less crowds, more character. Plus, they're known for generous player rewards and even cruise giveaways. Definitely one of our favorite hidden gems. Can't miss this giant sign, the Orleans in all its musical glory. And of course, another trumpet-playing gator, because why not? One more look at that beautiful south entrance, glowing in green and gold, classic Vegas charm with a Louisiana twist. Had to sneak in a little roulette, my favorite game in Vegas. No Fergunized trip is complete without a spin. Time to head back home. Juno's out cold, Victor snoozing in the front seat, a sure sign of a successful first trip. Our first adventure in the Starship Fergu-prise. Until next time, Fergunized signing off. Bye.